In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 5-step system to make between $100 and $1,000 a day, even if you're completely broke, have no money to spend, or are an absolute beginner. So stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jacob coming at you with another video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for visiting the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm doing daily videos about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, building a passive income, and all of that good stuff. So if it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. There's also a link in the description for my #1 recommendation right now if you want to get started making money online and want to get started with affiliate marketing. But with that all said, let's jump into today's video, which, like I said off the top, is a 5-step system that you can start implementing even if you've got no money to get started. This is going to cost you about $12 to get started and has the potential to earn you anywhere from $100 all the way up to well over $1,000 a day. And I've got a couple of case studies I want to walk you through as well. So let's jump into the computer and get into it. So I've got some notes here. We're going to talk through these and then I'm going to show you a couple of case studies. Now, if you're familiar with the channel at all, you're going to know that I really got my start with affiliate marketing using the power of blogging and free traffic. This is one of my blogs here. This made me my first about $15,000 as an affiliate. Still makes me money every single month, $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the month. So this stuff works, and that's what this strategy is going to be built around. It's built around using free traffic and building simple WordPress sites. So this can work in any niche. And there's another example I want to show you. Now, this isn't one of my websites, but I've done some digging into it because it is a very, very impressive and a very genius business model. I don't know who this gentleman is by the name of Mark. He says he's 26 years old from the UK. This is not a good looking website, right? This is a very basic WordPress site. But when you dig a little bit deeper, go over to similarweb.com. You should see the amount of traffic this is getting. Total visits. This will be in the last 30 days. He's getting 204,000 visitors in the last 30 days. Do you think he's making a fair bit of money on his affiliate commissions? I can guarantee he would be making thousands of dollars a day. Thousands and thousands of dollars a day. Let me show you his business model. Now, just a little bit of backstory. Funnel Brick Road for me was a website where I put out content around sales funnels, put out reviews of products and that kind of thing, ultimately trying to get people to purchase different products in the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, this gentleman over on this website takes a slightly different approach. He's got a #1 recommendation. It's all about making money online business, those kind of things. He's got a #1 recommendation that he constantly sends people back to. He puts out nearly daily content reviewing different products in the niche. If he likes the product, he recommends it. 9 times out of 10, he doesn't like the product and he refers his audience back and again to his #1 recommendation. So of those 200,000 people visiting this site every month, they're constantly getting sent back to his #1 recommendation. So I can promise you he would be absolutely crushing it. This is a simple but genius business model. Let's just walk through it in a little bit of detail. So like I said, this can work in any niche. All you have to do is choose a niche that you're interested in, that you're passionate about, and that you're willing to put daily content out about. You need to be interested in it because for this to work, you're going to have to be consistent and you're going to have to be putting in work every single day. Maybe that's health, maybe it's fitness, maybe it's investing, maybe it's real estate, maybe it's affiliate marketing, maybe it's e-commerce, whatever it is. It's got to be something that you're interested in and that you're willing to put time into every single day, because this is ultimately going to be a game of consistency to get the results. So once you've chosen your niche, you need to go and buy a domain and install WordPress on it. There's tons of videos on YouTube about how to go and do that. You can either purchase a new domain if you have a brand idea in mind, or you can go and purchase an expired domain and then go and install WordPress. It's a 100% free platform, and it's honestly the easiest and the most powerful from an SEO perspective when you're just getting started. Then you need to go and install a couple of critical plugins. I'll put a link in the description to a video I've done on my top 5 plugins for affiliate marketing. Once that's done, this is really where the rubber's going to meet the road. You need to be putting out daily product reviews. So that's all that happens that's all I was doing at Funnel Brick Road, was just reviewing different products that I wanted to promote. And then that's the exact same thing that's happening over here. And through the power of that, he's bringing in traffic from all of these different places where people are searching for these different products. They're looking for a review, and then he's either recommending that product, or he's saying, I've got a better alternative for you. And he's sending them over to his #1 recommendation. And he puts out content very regularly, and that's why he's getting so much traffic, is because it's building this massive catalog of pages that are out there for all these different keywords that he's ranking for, and they're bringing people to the website every single month who are either being recommended to purchase one thing, or they're being sent to his #1 recommendation. So ultimately, depending on the niche you choose and depending on kind of what type of website you end up building, you're going to, if you want to implement this affiliate business model, you're going to need to align yourself with kind of one core product. So you need to do your research and find something that's good, find something you can stand behind, and you're going to be happy to continuously recommend people to. If you're not sure what to promote, reach out to me and we can have a conversation about kind of what I recommend at the moment. And depending on the niche, I might be able to point you in the right direction. But you need to choose one core product that you will consistently recommend to people alongside of the other products that you're reviewing. Maybe there are some that you come across that you really like, and you can also recommend those products. And so this is it here. This is the core. You're putting out daily product reviews. If you like it, you can recommend it and you make your commission anyway. If you don't like it, then you push your leads back to your go-to product, your core offer, your #1 recommendation in your niche. Either way, you're making money as an affiliate and you're helping out the customer because you're pushing them in the direction of a product that's going to help them achieve their goal, help them achieve, a solution to whatever problem it is they are searching for. And that is our role as affiliate marketers. The other thing that this website does really well, and that I was able to achieve with Funnel Brick Road, is constantly trying to build that email list so that whenever you put out a new piece of content, the people that are visiting your site are going to be interested in that niche. So they're going to be interested in reading about different products in that niche. So every time you put out a new piece of content, be it daily or maybe you do one every second day, whatever works for you, then you're going to send out an email and you're going to let them know I've put together a new piece of content. They're going to come back to your website and they're either going to purchase if you're recommending that product, or again, they're going to be sent back to your core offer, to your #1 recommendation. So this is really what you're building your affiliate marketing business around, this #1 recommendation. That's why it's such a simple and such a cool business model. Now, like I said, consistency is going to be the key to your success with this model. You need to be putting out content regularly. But honestly, there's an infinite amount of content you can put out there. You're just reviewing different products in the niche. So, if you choose one of the big niches, health, wealth, those kind of things, relationships, there's going to be an endless supply of products that you can review. Now, obviously, you're going to want to put time and effort into the reviews using images. Maybe you may want to use video if you want, but do your research. And there's 2 ways you can go about getting the content for the reviews. You can either purchase the product yourself, and so you can form your own opinion, or you can look at other people's reviews and bring them together. And obviously, you need to provide credit where credit is due. If you bring in content from other people's websites, make sure you're backlinking to them and make sure that you're providing credit for their content. But that way you can actually achieve this without investing in the products. You can collate different reviews, and that's how you add value to the transaction. But that's really it. It's a really, really simple business model, and I wanted to show you this case study. While this isn't one of my websites, I did a bit of digging on it, and you can see here with the amount of traffic that this gentleman is getting, it is an incredibly powerful model, and it can easily make you 6 figures a year. I think the key to this is he's either promoting a product or he's sending him back to his #1 recommendation. Either way, he's constantly pitching people and constantly selling. So it doesn't matter if he likes a product or he doesn't like it, he's still making a commission. It's a really, really cool model, really simple, but really powerful. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you are looking to get started for free, or for $12 for the cost of a domain, this might be a model that would interest you. It is highly, highly effective, and there's an endless supply of content. So it's a really powerful business model that you may be interested in using. That's all that we've got for today. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Daily content coming down the pipeline, videos like this, different strategies, methods that you can use to make money online, build an online business, generate affiliate commissions, all that good stuff. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Cheers.